SysCloud Backup for Salesforce is designed to help users quickly recover lost objects and metadata from accidental deletions and other data loss incidents. In this video, we would like to take you on a quick tour of SysCloud's Salesforce Backup application. Setting up SysCloud Backup for Salesforce is very simple. You can create a backup job, securely connect to Salesforce organizations, and optimize SysCloud's API usage for your Salesforce instance. You can also define the retention periods for your backup archives. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day and you'll have access to an intuitive dashboard that gives you single-click access to the backup archives of all your connected Salesforce organizations. You can also see how your backups are progressing and view any critical errors that might affect your backups and restores. Locating lost Salesforce data is always a breeze. You can search the backup archives for records using advanced filters like record name, record ID, user that created the record, and user that last updated the record. You can also search your Salesforce metadata archives by metadata type and metadata component. With SysCloud, you can effortlessly restore your data and metadata at various levels. You can restore single or multiple objects and records exactly the way you want. During restore, you can create a duplicate of the original record or override the existing record in your Salesforce deployment. Alternatively, you can choose to skip restore if you do not want to alter any existing records. For more granular control, you can decide to include linked records in the restore and choose which linked record you want to restore. You can also restore your metadata at a type level or at a component level. Our snapshot feature allows you to easily restore and export an older version of the data at any given point in time. Keep a track of all your restores and exports using our granular report feature and easily manage restore workload by assigning additional admin roles. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to safeguard and manage data for their critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today. SysCloud, we have your back.